GT Stoneworks concrete stamping system creates cool floor colors and designs using stamp tools. These floors are often used in large areas where there is a lot of pedestrian traffic. You'll find this mostly in parks, malls, walkways, poolsides, resorts, and hotels. Unlike tiles, stamped concrete gives a bright, clean, and casual finish. Most recreation parks use this system to spice up their floors, making it pleasing to walk on and look at. Most recreation parks, such as Disneyland and Universal Studios, often use this flooring instead of plain painted cement, since the floor has more texture and design stamped into it. Popular designs such as ashlar, random stone, and European fan. Doing concrete stamping needs a little more work. You have to pour the concrete slab first, and while the cement begins to harden, add the colors and stamp the designs. Normally, installers should be experienced in doing this type of finish, as any missteps will affect the colors and textures. The colors are added by using a dry color hardener for the base color and the antique release agent for the accent. You need the release agent so that the stamp tools don't stick to the concrete when you start stamping. Wait a few days for the concrete to cure and leach out the water and moisture, and then finally apply your diamond sealer.